Cruise control not working? Here's how to figure it out. Fast. First, check the basics. Is your check engine light on? If it is, cruise control won't work until you fix the issue. A quick scan at your local auto shop can help you spot the problem. Next, take a look at your brake lights. If a brake light bulb is out, or the brake pedal switch is faulty, your Honda might think you're braking, even if you're not. Step on the brakes and see if the lights come on. If not, replacing a bulb or the switch is a simple fix. Third, make sure you're driving at the right speed. Cruise control only works above about 25 miles per hour. And if you're on twisty roads, steep hills, or in heavy rain, the system might not activate for safety. Now double-check your steering wheel controls. Sometimes a stuck or worn-out button can keep cruise control from turning on. Give the set and cruise buttons a firm press. If nothing happens, the switch could need replacing. If you've tried these steps and still have no luck, it might be a bigger issue, like a blown fuse or a sensor problem. That's a job for your mechanic. And remember, never try to fix cruise control on the road. Stay safe and happy driving.